In this video, I'm going to show you how to do encryption with symmetric key crypto, such as AES. Okay, so here, this is our Windows, and here I'm going to start the chat server. So we are going to use the chat server to send messages to each other. Here, let's start the chat server. It's actually in the tools. And server here. Okay, let's start. Great. And then we are going to work within our caddy VM. And also within the caddy VM. Okay, so let's get into the Gin server. So I have a lot of files here. I'm going to restart everything. So I'm going to delete these two folders. And okay. And the Control L, I'm going to just clean up the screen. And so good. So this is one window. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create actually a sender folder, and then here I'm going to create a receiver folder, and then here make this a little bit bigger. So here I'm getting to a sender folder. This one I'm going to get receiver folder. Great, there's nothing here. Nothing here. And so now let's start our chat client. So this means parent folder. I'm going to start the client program. So I'm using that sign to run the command in the background. Good. And as we do same thing here. Chat client. Okay, put something wrong here. Okay, so let's call this sender and call this receiver. Great. So I can send a message. Hello. So the thing here is that you can see I want to send actually an encrypted message. So I don't want anybody else to see the message, right? How can I do this? So we have this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the encryption. And I have the slides here. So here is how we do the encryption. And so this is the command. So when you copy from the slides, make sure there's no garbage character. And I'm going to try my luck. Oh, here. Okay. So you can see we just send, maybe we're not doing this, we do. So hello, right? And I'm going to copy hello message here. Right click, copy. Good. And copy here. Good. And so this will do the encryption. And this -A is an option for this encryption command of openssl. And this will actually give you the base 64 kind of formatted message. And so in this way, we can send from actually our chat server. So we need a password here. So my password will be password. Okay, so we need to actually confirm the password. Good, so this is the password. I mean, sorry, this is the encrypt message. Right click, okay. Then here, then we're going to send this message instead. Oh my goodness, how do you decrypt this one, right? So now we are going to decrypt this message. How do we do that? Okay, so this is actually the command to do the decryption. And great. So of course, I have to replace the message here. This is the old message. And what do I get? The sender, the receiver got this one, right? So we need to copy this. Okay, copy. Then we come to this one. Yes. Paste. Great. So this is our message. So now let's see if we can actually decrypt the message. You can see the command -d here. This option means decryption. Great. So our password is password. Oh, what's wrong? Let me see here. Open. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not sure what I put over there. Okay, I think I did something wrong here. So you can see here, we got the message. Okay, and so this is for AES encryption and decryption.